Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pubg mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for PUBG mobile app. Put just click on search, add here PUBG mobile. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this here. Click here on force stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just restart your phone, install it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.